All right. Hey, boys, y'all got to hold it down a little bit. We're getting ready to start making some more video. All right, that's it. I'll tone it down. All right, as you can see, the pig is marinated overnight. Here, T-boy. Put this on your left hand. We want to wear some gloves so we don't get full of seasoning and grease and all that. Well, these are not actually, they're all right hand. Okay. Yeah, put that on your left hand.
I already did.
Put it, no, that's your right hand.
I know, baby.
Boy, I'm telling you. It's hard to get good help, yeah. Okay. If you take a look at the box, it's ready to receive the pig.
It's in receipt mode.
That's right. Okay. Roll that down, boy. We're going to put the head to the south. Yeah. Come on, boy. Get out of there. Boy or girl, I don't know what you was. And put it on its side. On the side. There you go. Now, wink for us a little bit. There you go. Okay. Isn't she pretty? Lordy. Now, the next thing we're going to do is put the lid. Or you call that the top of the box. Box to the top. There you go. Now, open them charcoal, boy. Got to start your fire with a little bit of charcoal. Whoa, whoa, that's good. Just enough that we'll have a good little fire going. Put some of that juice. Ah, that sounds like Nate and Apchar. Here's the worst part of the whole deal, cleaning up the ice chips. Ew. All right, light it up, boy. That dead end, boy, so don't scratch the box.
Which you want? The light or the...
Well, one thing at a time. Yeah, boy. That's a Coonass lighter. Now, put the juice. Now, once this gets going good, come over here and get a shot of this firewood. See, you need some little branch like that. They're not too big around. They're going to burn slow. Some good oak wood, not too green, not too cured. And once that gets going good, we'll put 2 or 3 of these at a time. Let them burn slow. Let the cooking begin.